tip: when you take the hood off, prop it up, or you're dropping the camera and break it like I did. So there's that. All right, we're basically done. We got this one last one, then the other two over there, and we are good. Also, another thing that I probably should have done first was take these off first, leave the struts, and then that probably would have been a lot easier, and it probably wouldn't have fallen like it did. Now this is bent, which I was gonna replace these anyway, but kind of sucks. So, all right, the hood bolts are off, so let's try to get this off now. Hopefully I don't drop it on myself. So enjoy. That should be good. All right, next we're gonna take the grill and the headlights off. So it should be just the 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. I see one there. I think that's it. And then headlights, 2 there, 2 there. And I don't know what else is underneath there. And then fenders are next. All right, we're making some progress. We got the first fender off. What a bitch. Yeah, just a bunch of screws I took out. That's all I can tell you. Took them out, took it off. Get the other one and should be good. We'll take out this radiator, the support, and then I think we can move on to the cab. So on the passenger side, I guess I'm just gonna show a little bit of the teardown. So I'm gonna take the wheel well ones off first. So there's a couple little ones right here. One there, one there. There's like 1 or 2 underneath there, and then there's also like 1 here and 1 here, which I didn't realize because it's hard to see, but they're there, and you won't be able to take the fender off until you get those. And then there's 2 here, 2 here, and then 1 in the door, and that's it. All right, I'm pretty sure that's it. So got the 2 screws over there. And gotta take this off, take the ground off. 2 screws there again, 2 screws in there, and I think that's it. How stupid am I? I decided to take the hose off and not put a fucking bucket under. Ah, it's fun. Alright, let's try to get that one off, not get drenched. Damn, this is fun, guys. Aren't you guys enjoying what's going on? Oh my gosh, I wish I could make this more interesting, but honestly the teardown is not that interesting. I think putting it back together is going to be a lot more fun. You're going to hear a lot more bitching. Gotta love coolant everywhere. Hopefully a lot of it's already out by the time I pull this hose off. That would be beautiful. gonna need a bigger bucket. Shit. Well, that was fun. That shit's all over the camera. Alright boys, just wanted to finish this video. So as you can see, the teardown basically done in the front. We're basically ready to pull the motor now, so there's not really too much left to do. Obviously get the wiring out and stuff, but basically we're there. So went smoother than I thought it would. And then pretty soon we're gonna start the teardown on the cab. That's gonna be the next thing, and then we're pretty much good. I hope you guys tune in to the rest of the videos, finish the rest of this teardown. I wanted to break it up into like different things, like front end and then taking the cab off and interior, all that kind of stuff. I didn't want to put it all in one video, but I also didn't want to show every single thing. I just feel like it's kind of boring and there's just no reason for it. So figured like I'd just show you bits and pieces of like taking it apart, and that's probably good enough. And then so got the interior. After that we'll be down to the frame, and then it's just a matter of gutting the frame, and then we're going to be sandblasting that. So very excited about that. I need to pick up a compressor real soon, and we should be good to do that. And yeah, so I hope you guys tune into the build. There's definitely going to be a lot more videos on this truck, so I hope you guys are excited. Project OBS is a go. Definitely impressed with how far we've already come. I didn't know what my capabilities would be. This is definitely my first project, so there's going to be a lot of learning curves, and yeah, so we're going to have a lot of shit to figure out. So hope you guys tune in. Hope you guys like, subscribe, comment, and peace out.